And of course, hindi po magiging matagumpay ang araw na ito without our speakers. So allow me to recognize our speakers for today. Starting from our speaker, from our morning service, morning session. Allow me to read the certificate of appreciation which is presented to in grateful recognition and sincere appreciation of your valuable ministry as our guest speaker during the 15th Great Commission Conference of Maharlika Bible Baptist Church with the theme Always Abounding in the Work of the Lord. Therefore, my beloved brethren, be steadfast, unmovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord, for as much as ye know that your labor is not in vain in the Lord. 1 Corinthians 15:58. We thank the Lord for your life, ministry, and willingness to be used as a blessing to His people, given this 12th day of June 2026 at Maharlika Bible Baptist Church, Situate Broadcast, Barangay Ikiring, Pagdalaw, Quezon. Signed, Pastor Ramel H. Porto, MBPC Pastor. Pastor Dante Narzabal, together with his wife, Ma'am V. Larson. Of course, for our guest speaker this afternoon, allow me to, with the same citation, let us all welcome Pastor Avel Cuenza. Okay po. So, may nakalimutan po ba tayong mga pastors and missionaries po na hindi po nabanggit? Yun po mga mga magsusuko po ng buhay. Next year po, i-invite po namin kayo. Amen. Picture po tayo. Yung ating po mga medyo malakas-lakas pa po ng mga kapastoral na pwede pong pwede sa may hagdan. Dito na lang po yung medyo